Hello, good evening, students. Today we are going to solve the NEET 2019 paper, students. Okay, so we are going to solve the chemistry paper only, students. And if you find this video helpful, students, please do like and subscribe the channel, student. So that is, I have selected the set number R3, students, and you please try to watch it out completely. So here the first question which is selected here, the compound that is most difficult to protonate. Okay, which compound is not going to give H plus, students? Okay, so that you tick. Okay, try to see, student, which compound is not going to give H plus. So here is the CH3 group is there, and PH3 is group, pH group is there. Okay, here is hydrogen, so hydrogen can easily liberate. Okay, and here is, this is also acetone is there, that is also it can give the proton. But here if you talk about the phenyl group, students, okay, so phenyl group is highly electron rich group, student. Okay, so here is, that is, this is O is there, and here is H is there. Okay, up now, student, this lone pair electron will be there in the conjugation. This lone pair will be going in the ring. Okay, so because of resonance is there, student, resonance will be there. Okay, so due to resonance, okay, it will not give proton easily, it will not give proton easily. But where if you talk about here, this is the electronegative, it will take the electron. Here is easily it can release, here is also it can release. But in this case, because of the pH group, it is not going to protonate easily. So the compound that is most difficult to protonate will be, that is, phenol. Now, and here will be the partial double bond character also come out, student, so that this is not going to protonate easily. Next question is question number 48. So if you talk about question number 48, the magnate and permagnate ions are tetrahedral. They are saying magnate and permagnate ions are tetrahedral. They are asking, that is, what could be the reason for this. Okay, the first reason they are saying, the pi bonding involves overlap of d orbital of oxygen with d orbital of magnesium. Okay, so that is, the magnate and permagnate ions are tetrahedral due to the pi bonding involved in the overlap of d orbital of oxygen. So oxygen is not having d orbital, na? So that is wrong. Okay, then pi bonding involve overlap of p orbital of oxygen with d orbital of manganese. So that is, this is the correct option, because Mn using what is, student, that is d orbital, and oxygen using p orbital. So that is, pi bonding involve overlap of p orbital of oxygen with d orbital of manganese. So correct option is option number 2. Let us move out the next question, student. Question number 49. So if you talk about the question number 49, dear students, see, the correct order of the basic strength of methyl substituted amines in aqueous solution is, okay, they are saying the correct, okay, the correct order of basic strength of methyl substituted amine in aqueous solution, that you have to keep in mind, student. They are asking about the aqueous solution only, not any other solution. They are asking about aqueous solution. So which could be the correct answer, student? That is 2 degree is there, then 1 degree is there, and 3 degree the order is there in aqueous solution. Okay, in aqueous solution, but in the gaseous state it is 3 2 1. Okay, so that you have to keep on. So that is, this, you see, this is 1 degree wrong, 3 degree wrong, 3 degree wrong. So correct option will be option number 2. This is the 2 degree, this is 1 degree, and this is 3 degrees. So correct option is option number 2. Basic character in aqueous medium, you can write, student, na, basic character in aqueous medium, in aqueous medium. So basic character in aqueous medium will be, student, that is 2 degree, then 1 degree, and then 3 degree. This is the order. Let us move out the question number 50, students. What the question is saying, an alkene A on reaction with OC and ZnH2O gives propanone and ethanol, gives propanone and ethanol in equilibrium ratio, in equilibrium ratio. Okay, so that is, wait, student, A is there, if it is reacting with the Okay, I know an alkene A, I know this is A is alkene, dear students, and it is reacting with O3, and that is reagent taken ZnH2O. So it will giving that is propanone and ethanol. It is giving what, student? Propanone plus what is that is there, student? Ethanol, propanone and ethanol in equilibrium ratio. Addition of HCl to alkene A gives B as the major product. The structure of product B is. So let us have a look over, students, how can you be able to write the structures. So here we are going to the going to do the diagram, students. Okay, so first one is what the alkene I am selecting here, students. See, this is their CH3. If you are talking about, this is giving the propanone and ethanol, na? Propanone and ethanol. Okay, ethanol. So wait, student, propanone. So propanone means what? CH3 C, and here is CH3 double bond O plus it will O, right? Here is H. Okay, or that is you write in the different way. Wait, students, how can you write here? This is O, this is the CH, O and CH3. This is the double bond, so this bond is coming to break out. So what the alkene is going to be forming, student? CH3, this is C, this is CH3, double bond CH and CH3. So this is the alkene, students. Okay, that is go on to ozonolysis. Okay, so this compound, they are saying give propanol ethanol in equipolar ratio. The addition of HCl to alkene. So if you are adding here HCl, okay, they are saying addition of HCl to alkene A gives B, okay, as the major product. So again it is going to give, if you are adding HCl, so it is going to give B, students, like that they are saying. So what the product it will give? HCl. If you are adding HCl according to Markovnikov rule, it is going to be add, student. So Cl will be adding here and hydrogen is going to, okay, so less number that is negative part of the reagent will add to that carbon which is having the less number of hydrogen. So what the product will be there, student? Here you can see here is CH3, downside CH3, then here will be Cl, then here will be that is CH2 and CH3. This is our required product, students, right? So dear students, you select that is which is the correct option is going to be. This is first one, no Cl group. This is second one, that is also wrong. Fourth one you can see here. So correct option will be option number 4, students. Okay, now next one, question number 51, you try to solve it out, student. What the question is? Question they are saying, students, for the second period elements, the correct increasing order of first ionization energy. So second period element, if you talk about the what is order, student, that is the first one is the lithium is there, then beryllium. If you talk about, so beryllium is having less than boron, so it will come that is boron. Okay, then beryllium, then carbon, then oxygen. Okay, oxygen, then nitrogen, then fluorine. Okay, so this is the and finally that is neon. So this is the order, students. Okay, lithium is there, boron is there, beryllium, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, neon. So which is matching because of the stable configuration. Here there is the disorderness are there, student, boron, beryllium and oxygen, nitrogen, there is a disorderness. So this is our required answer will be there, lithium, boron, beryllium, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, neon. This is our required answer, students, right, students? So you can check out, students, this is the fact. Okay, now we are going for the 52. A gas at 350 Kelvin and 15 bar has molar volume 20% smaller than that for the ideal gas under the same condition. The correct option about the gas and its compressibility factor Z is. Okay, so that you please keep in mind, student. So if you see, that is the correct option about the gas and its compressibility factor. Okay, So dear student, you know very well that if Z is less than 1, okay, so that is more attractive force will be there, okay, more attractive forces, you know, more attractive forces. So this will be there, students, okay. So dear students, you just try to find out Z repulsive forces are more, that is wrong, okay, because Z means what, student, what you are understanding, PV upon RT, this is the Z value. This is the, if Z value is more, it is more the attractive forces. Second point, what they are saying, Z greater than 1 attractive force, that is wrong. Z greater 1 repulsive force is wrong. Z less than 1, okay, Z less than 1 attractive forces are dominate. So this is what is, that is Z is less than 1 means PV is more, okay, PV is more means attractive forces will be stronger, students. Now let us move out to question number 53. What the question is saying, student, for a cell involving one electron, E naught cell is equal to 0.59 volt at the 298 Kelvin. The equilibrium constant for the cell reaction is given, that this value are given, student, right? So okay, they are saying that is the equilibrium constant for the cell reaction, given this value are they given, student. So delta G naught is equal to what, student, minus 2.303 RT log K, this is there, okay. Now E is equal to what will be there, students, what will be the E is equal to, it is, that is 2.303 RT upon NF, RT upon NF log K, this is there, okay. Now log K is equal to what will be there, student, log K equal to, okay, 1000, okay, if you are taking log K is equal to 1000 upon 100, 0.59 upon 0.059 equal to how much it will come, student, it is going to come 1. So K is equal to how much, 10 ki power 10, this will come, because okay, K is equal to 10 power 10. So what could be the correct answer, student? This is the option number 4 is the correct. This we know, student, delta G is equal to what, that is minus 2.303 RT log K, and E is equal to, here already given, you can see out 2.303 RT, and this value is given, okay, temperature everything is given. So log K is equal to, if you are calculating, what will be, that is this value you can put it out, and this you can get easily, students, okay. So that is our required answer, students. Now let us move question number 54, okay. So if you talk about question number 54, which will makes the basic buffer, they are saying which will make the basic buffer. So you see, student, basic buffer means what, HCl is there, then we are talking about NH4OH, so it will give, that is NH4Cl plus H2O. Now student, here is the 10 milli equivalent is there, here is 20 milli equivalent is there, okay, and initially it is 0, okay. Here if you talk about the 10 milli equivalent, this is also 10 milli equivalent, so here it will form 10 milli equivalent. So solution of weak base and soft, okay, solution of weak base and salt, okay, of weak base and strong acid, so basic buffer. Up here you see, student, they are saying that is option, you can match it out, 100 ml of 0.1 molar HCl, and here is NaOH they have sent, so that is it is not the salt, so this option is wrong. Here is 50 ml NaOH, this is also, this is the strong base is there, so that is wrong. 100 ml, that is acetic acid, and that is, here is the 100 ml, nothing is there, this is again going to be wrong. 100 ml HCl, and that is NH4OH, so strong acid is there and weak base is there, so this is our required answer, student. So correct option will be option number 4, okay. So if you talk about the buffer solution, student, that is two type are only there, okay, either you see the acidic buffer, or it will be, that is basic buffer, okay, basic buffer. Acidic buffer means weak acid plus salt of weak acid, salt of weak acid with what, strong base. And basic buffer means what, student, weak base plus salt of what student? Salt of base with with strong basic, with strong acid. So this is the basic buffer students. So correct option is option number 4. Let us move out the question number 55 students. What the question is, which is the correct thermal stability order of H2E? So down the group student, if you are moving down the group, the stability down the group stability decreases. Okay, so that is what is there a group So first one is, if you talk about student, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So down the group stability decreases. So what will be the stability order student? What will be stability? Which is the correct? It decreases. Is the thermal stability will decrease now student. Thermal stability decrease. So that is, this will be the least. Then this will be the order. So you see student, which is correct? H2S wrong, H2PO wrong. This is wrong. Correct option H2O, H2S, H2SE, H2T. Correct option is option number 4. Now let us move out the question number. For an ideal solution, the correct option is, for an ideal solution, the correct option they are asking. So delta G mixing 0 at constant temperature and pressure. Okay. Okay, for ideal solution. Next one, for ideal solution, delta G should be positive student. Delta S mixing at constant temperature pressure is 0. Delta V mixing not equal to 0. Okay, and fourth option, delta H equal to 0 at constant temperature and pressure. So our required answer is this student. Other are, that is, this should be the 0, this should not be 0, and that is this should not be 0. So that is correct option is option number 4. Biodegradable polymers are, they are asking biodegradable polymers. So nylon 2, nylon 6 are the biodegradable polymers. Enzyme that utilize ATP in phosphate transfer required an alkaline earth metal M as a cofactor. So that is, magnesium is the cofactor used in the alkaline earth metal. Now we are talking about the question number 58. Enzyme that utilize ATP in phosphate transfer require an alkaline earth metal M as the cofactor. Okay, M as the cofactor. So correct option will be student, that is the magnesium, already we studied. 59 you see, if the rate constant for a first order reaction K, the time required for the completion of 99% of the reaction is given by. So this is very easy question student. T 99% is equal to what? 1 by K ln, okay, A naught upon A, okay, and that is percentage they are asking, so multiply by 100. So what we can write student? What we can write? That is, here you multiply with this ln by converting into the natural logarithm. So what will come student? 2.303 upon K, okay, log A naught value, you can see students. Okay, the time required for completion of 99% of the reaction is given by. Okay, so dear students, so if you talk about if the rate constant for first order reaction K, the time required for the completion of 99% of the reaction is given by. Okay, so here is the, we have to apply the short trick students. Okay, for 99% completion. So 1 by K ln A naught upon A naught of 100%. Okay, A naught of 100%, right? So it will come out to be A naught is going to be finished. Okay, so 2.3 log 100. Log 100 means what? That is, here you can write 2.303 upon K, and log 100 means what student? Log 100 means 10 power 2. So 2 log 10. So here we can write that is 2 into 2.303 upon K, and log what is 10? Log 10 value is 1. So how much is coming student? It is coming 4.606 upon what is student? That is K. So that is T 99% is equal to 4.606 upon K. Correct option is option number 4, dear students. Now let us move out the 60. Which of the following diatomic molecular species has only pi bond according to molecular orbital theory. So they are asking which is having only pi bond, right student? So only pi bond, that is carbon C2 is having only pi bond student. You can draw the diagram also by molecular orbital energy level diagram. Carbon you see that is 6 is there now. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2 is there. Again carbon you see, and this one is what? That is no 1 and 2. So that is, this is px and py. So that is px and py are there. It means what? It means what? Px and py are there. It means what? Px and py for the pi bond. So that is the correct answer is option number 4, C2. Next one, pH of saturated solution of calcium hydroxide is 9. The solubility product Ksp of the calcium hydroxide is. Okay. So let us try to find out the answer student. So if you see, that is calcium is there students, dear students, see calcium hydroxide is there, dear students. So it will give student that is Ca2 plus 2OH minus, right? So students, okay, so pH is equal to, that is given 9. Okay, here pH is 9. The solubility product Ksp are for the calcium hydroxide they are asking. Okay, so pH is equal to what? The POH is equal to what will be there student? POH. So 14 minus 9, that is 5 will come. अब now H plus ion concentration, here it will be the 10 की power minus 9, and OH minus ion concentration will be 10 की power minus 5. Okay, this is. So these two things we understood, right? अब dear students, at equilibrium, अब Ca2 plus, what to do for the Ca2 plus? pH of saturated solute calcium hydroxide is 9. The solubility product Ksp they are asking. Okay. Dear students, we know Ca2 plus is how much is there? Solubility 0.5 into 10 की power minus 5 molar. This is what is the solubility of the Ca2 plus. Okay, 0.5 into 10 power minus 5. So Ksp is equal to what will be there student? Ca2 plus 1 bracket, another bracket means OH minus square. So Ca2 plus, what we can write is 1 by 2 into 10 की power minus 5, and another bracket 10 की power minus 5, that is square. So how will be the answer student? It will come 0.5 into 10 की power minus 15. This is the Ksp, 0.5 into 10 power minus 15. So correct option is option number 2, dear students. Next question, the mixture that form the maximum boiling azeotrope. Maximum boiling azeotrope means negative deviation. Okay, negative deviation. So which will prove that is negative deviation? Water plus nitric acid is example of the negative deviation. So correct option is option number 2. 4d 5p 5 4d 5v 5f 6p orbitals are arranged in order of decreasing energy. The correct option is, okay, so this one option we can go with the n plus l rule. So 4d is equal to what? That is n 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 5p means what? 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And 5f means what student? That is 5 plus SPDF. So 0 1 2 3. So 5f is 5 plus 6, 3 is equal to what will come? 8. And lastly 6p is there. 6 plus 2, no, 6 plus 1, that is 7. So firstly you see 4d will come. Firstly will fill 4d. Okay, then it will come fill 5p. Okay, then will fill 5f, then 6p. Okay, then 6p. So dear student, which is the 4d least energy? Okay, order. So they are saying arrange in the order of decreasing energy. So highest will be 6p. 6p, right student? 6p highest energy. No, highest energy na 5f is coming students. Wait, somewhere we did mistake students. Wait, see, highest is 5f. 5f. After 5f which will come 6p. After which one will come student? 5p. Lastly 4d. Okay, if same are coming, so we consider to be, that is, I know, lesser will get the, will fill first student. Lesser will fill first means, lesser will fill first, it means that is 4d will take more. So correct option, if you see student, correct option, so which is matching students. Here 5f is coming maximum, then 6p, 5p and 4d. Correct option is option number 2 students. Let us see which of the following is an amphoteric hydroxide. Okay, so they are asking beryllium hydroxide is the, this is the amphoteric, you know, amphoteric, beryllium hydroxide is amphoteric. 65. Which of the following is incorrect statement? Okay, which of the following is incorrect statement? So that is SnF4 is ionic in nature. No, 4 means the covalent. They are asking incorrect. Okay, if they are asking incorrect students, let us try to carbon. It will come student silicon, germanium, SnPV. So down the group student, tetrahalide covalent character decreases. Covalent, what is happening, you know, down the group, because size is increasing now. So this will be, that is ionic will be there student, this will be ionic. So the SiC, the GeX4, PbF4 is covalent. Pb, you see Pb is last, this will be the ionic. So this is the PbF4, this is the wrong. So that is incorrect, they are asking student. So 65 option number 2 is the required answer. 66. Under isothermal condition, a gas at 300 Kelvin expand from 0.1 liter to 0.25 liter against constant external pressure of 2 bar. The work done by the gas is given that 1 liter bar is equal to 100 joule. So 66, dear students. So 66, if you solve, my student, so W is equal to, we can write that is minus P external delta V. Okay, so minus 2 into 0.25 minus 0.1 bar liter. Okay, so it will come student, how much it is going to come student? It will come, that is minus 30 joule, minus 30. So W is equal to minus 30 joule. So which is, that is correct option is option number 2 students. See, let us move. The number of sigma and pi bond in the pen2 4-ine is, you know, pen2 4-ine. So meth, eth, prop, but, pent, second position in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is triple bond. Here is hydrogen, and here is CH3. Here is, you can, hydrogen. Here is hydrogen. So pi bond, you firstly you put out, that is here is 2 pi bond plus 1. So pi bond is 3. Sigma bond, you see 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sigma is 10. So you see student, what is the 10 and 3? Correct option is option number 2 students. Now match the xenon compound column 1 with the structure in column 2, assign the correct code. So what is that students? Correct code, if you are talking about XeF4 sp3d2, if you talk about XeF4 na, and they are saying shape they are asking. So XeF6 distorted octahedral, that is okay. Pentagonal is square pyramidal, this will go, I know, this is the pyramidal, this is square planar. So 1 is 2, This is wrong. 1 is 2, 2 is 3, 2 is 3, this is both are correct. 3 is 4, so this is wrong. So correct option is option number third. 69. In which case change in entropy is negative? In which case change in entropy is negative? Okay, that is if here the even 69, if you are going option number itself, 1 is correct. 2 atom more entropy compared to 1 molecule, so correct option is option number 1. 70, you see the most suitable reagent for the following conversion. So cis means that is, this is what is student, Birch reduction. Birch reduction. Birch reduction, sodium in liquid ammonia. Correct option is option number 2. So question number 70, if you are talking about option number, oh cis, no, not Birch student, Lindlar catalyst we have to, for trans we use Birch reduction, but here is that is Lindlar catalyst. Okay, Lindlar catalyst. So Lindlar list means H2PDC quinoline. Okay, so correct option is option number third. 71. If you talk about question number 71, the major product of the following reaction is, okay, so major product for the following reaction is, so if you are so it will give students 71. So it will give, that is pethylamide, it will give students. How the reaction will proceed, let us try to write down. If I am having this one COOH, here is COOH, here is 2NH3, okay, so it will give, that is intermediate, it is going to give student CONH2, okay, CONH2, minus will be, that is water, NH2 group will be, NH2 means not, NH3 is out, so what the compound is going to form student, it is CO, okay, and here will be, that is NH. So this is the correct option is option number third students. Okay, that is easy direct NCERT question student. Now next one is question number 72. So if you talk about question number 72, so what could be the correct answer students? Pure nitrogen, sodium and barium azide, okay, Haber process, ammonia, contact process, sulfuric acid, Deccan process, chlorine. So first is going, A means what? 4, B means what student? B means third, C means what student? Second, D means what student? First. So 4, third, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, which is correct? 4, 3, 2, 1, correct option is option number 1 student, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us move out the question number 73. What is the correct answer student? Question number 73. Which of the following series of the transition is the spectrum of hydrogen atom falls in the visible region? Okay, so which one is the visible region student? Okay, so visible region is the Balmer series comes in the visible region, so correct option is the option number third. Among the following, the narrow spectrum antibiotic is what? Penicillin G is the narrow spectrum, that is it work for the one few disease. Which mixture of the solution leads to the formation of negatively charged colloidal AgI solution? Okay, so if you talk about, if you see AgNO3, if you are taking student AgNO3 and you are treating with the Ki excess, so it is going to form, that is AgI and I minus. So which is AgNO3 is there, okay, AgNO3 and here is Ki. So Ki, if you see, that is here is 50 ml 1 molar, 50 ml 1 molar, that is okay, 50 ml 1 point. So the correct option is here, you see Ki concentration is more, so the mixture with solution leads to the formation of negatively charged colloid is maximum, that is option number third. 76. Among the following, the reaction that proceed through an electrophilic substitution H. Okay, among the following the reaction that proceeds through an electrophilic substitution is, which will proceed to electrophilic substitution, dear students. So if you talk about electrophile, that is positively charged will attack on that. Okay, so this is the electrophile student. Here is positive charge. So here if you see this option student, this will be the chlorination, halogenation. If you talk about halogenation, it is the electrophilic, okay, substitution reaction. So required is this one. This is the coupling reaction, or no, this is the substitution, or you can say replacement reaction. Here you see student, this is also the this is also a nucleophilic substitution. And last one you can see student, that is addition reaction. So our electrophilic is option number 3rd. Now 77, the structure of the intermediate A in the following compound. So here is this one methyl, it is going to react with O2. So what the compound is possible student, that is cumene will form student. Cumene means here you can write the cumene structure. Here it will there student, that is double bond COOH, and here will be the CH3, and here will be also CH3. So this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Correct option is option number 3rd, dear students. Next one, what is the correct electronic configuration of central atom K4 FeCN6 based on the crystal field theory? So Fe, if you talk about Fe, the oxidation number how much? 6 - 4 + 2. No, that is Fe + 2 is there. So Fe + 2 means 3D, okay, 3D6. And this is the strong ligand, so pairing will be there. So that is all T2G, pairing will be there. So T2G6 and Ag0. Correct option is option number 3rd. Now let us move out the question number 79, dear student. What is the question number 79? So among the following, the one that is not greenhouse gas, okay, so that is sulfur dioxide is not a greenhouse gas. This is the fact student that you have to memorize. Next one problem student, identify the incorrect statement related to PCl5 from the following. Okay, so they are asking the incorrect statement for PCl5. So incorrect statement which for PCl5 non-reactive. No, it is reactive. PCl5 is reactive student. It decomposes into PCl3 plus Cl2. So itself our required answer is option number 1. 81. Which one is the malachite from the following? Okay. So they are asking malachite. So malachite is a copper carbonate, and copper hydroxide is known as what student? Malachite. Next one 82. Which of the following species is not stable? Okay. SiCl6 they are saying not stable. So okay, this is the SiF6, okay, SnOH6, okay. So silicon is smaller student, not due to steric hindrance will be there. Larger chlorine atom cannot be stabilized, okay. Silicon cannot accommodate larger 6 chlorine atoms. So again required option is option number 1. A compound is formed by cation C and anion A. A compound is formed by cation C and anion A. The anion form hexagonal closed pack SCP lattice, and the cation form 75% octahedral bond. The formula of the compound is. So this is quite going to be very good question students. That is number of atom is octahedral lattice. Number of atoms in hexagonal. Okay student, hexagonal lattice. Number of atoms in hexagonal lattice A is equal to how much student? 6. So number of what student? Number of octahedral C. Number of octahedral C is equal to what? 6 into 75 upon 100. So it is coming 9/2. Okay. So formula, if you are writing student formula, so how will be there? C 9/2 A6. So what is C9 A12? This is coming C9 A12. Divide student by 3. So C3 A4. C3 A4. This is our required answer student. 84. The correct structure of trichloro. you see student what is there. The correct structure of tribromo oxide. Tribromo oxide is the correct structure of tribromo oxide is, dear students. So let us have a 4 options are there, student. They are asking the correct structure, which could be the correct structure, student. So octa oxide is there, that is the B number option is the correct estrogen. There will not be any negative charge, negative, that is wrong. Correct structure, this is neutral molecule. If you talk about the 85, the method used for removal of temporary hardness of water, student. So that is synthetic resin, no. Calagon, no. Clark method, that is okay. Clark method is used for the removing the temporary hardness of water. 86, the non-essential amino acid in the following, student. Lysine important, valine, leucine. Alanine is not important. This is not essential. It is already prepared in the body. The number of moles of hydrogen molecule required to produce 20 moles of ammonia through Haber process. Okay, so they are going to prepare, that is 20 mole. So that is N2 plus 3H2. It is going to form, that is 2NH3. So they are saying, student, 2 mole NH3. 2 mole NH3 formed by 3 mole hydrogen. Okay, 3 mole are the number of moles of hydrogen there. So 1 mole will be formed by 3 by 2 H2. So 20 mole, how much? 3 by 2 into 20 H2. So that is how much? 2 10 so that is 30 mole H2. So correct option is option number 4. 88, which of the following reactions are disproportionation reaction? Which of the following reactions are disproportionation reaction? Right, student? So they are asking which of the following reactions are disproportionation. Copper plus, it is going positive, more 2 plus and 0. Okay, so this is the disproportionation, student. This is the disproportionation. Here is how much? 4 2 8. Here is plus 6 plus 7 plus 4. So this is also disproportionation. There, which of the following reaction disproportionation? Here is plus 7 plus 6 plus 4. This is not disproportionation, both are reducing. Here is plus 7. Okay, here is plus 2. And here is what? This is also not is. So A and B are disproportionation reaction, student. So if you talk about 88, AD is wrong. Correct option is option number 2, student. Let us move 89. For the chemical reaction N2 and 3H2, the correct option is, so N2 is there now, N2 plus 3H2 equal to 2NH3. So N2 is there. So dN2 by dt, this is okay. Here is what is H2 1 by 2, this is also wrong. N2 by dt, that is okay. 1 by 2, this is correct option is option number 4, students. This is a direct NCERT question, student. Conjugate base Bronsted acid H2O and HFR. They are asking conjugate base. Remove the hydrogen, so that is OH minus and F minus. They are the conjugate base. So 90, if you are talking about, student, OH minus F, option number 4 is correct option. So thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video a little bit helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students. Thank you, students.